Hi there, my name is Vijay and I welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna to vlog about my book collection I have. I promise this video is gonna to be interesting. So if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and also don't forget to press the post notification so that you will be notified when I post new interesting stuff like this. So let's get into the video. Hey guys, here is my book collection. I have totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. There are 19 books right now here. Hey friends, I guess you noticed these two little books right in the corner. Actually, this is a French dictionary and the book on the other side here is the German dictionary. You know what? I really love to learn more new foreign languages. Hey friends, literally this is my favorite book in this book collection. This is nothing other than School Atlas. But one of the sad news is it has torn. The cover of this book has torn. But anyway, I really love to learn this book. By learning this book, I can be able to know about many countries and their cultures. Hi, here is the one more book I have. The name of this book is Entrepreneur Development New Venture Creation. Actually, I got this book from my college library before lockdown. It is a book that's something related to entrepreneurship. You know what? If you read this book, you can be able to know how world's biggest business empires are built so that you can also be able to start a small business very easily. Here is the one more book I have. The name of this book is Space Encyclopedia. If you learn this book, you can be able to know more about the hidden mysteries of space. Here is a book I have. The name of this book is a visual dictionary. To call it in simple words, we can call this book as encyclopedia. This book has everything. If you learn this book, you can be able to gain more knowledge. No matter it can be biology, history or space, but eventually you can gain more knowledge. This book is too heavy. I think it's almost up to 1 kg. I guess I have to eat separately for carrying this book. Eventually done. And brothers and sisters, that's at the end of this video. I'm sure you have enjoyed something new in this video. Smash the like button. Smash the subscribe button. Share this video to your friends and family members. Meet you all in another interesting video tomorrow. Stay tuned. Have a good day. Take care of your health. Bye.